Morning. Okay, so I've been talking about makeup for more mature skins recently. Look at my roots, look. I will do them this week. And Benefit sent me some really great products. Kindly, thank you, Benefit. And I just want to talk about Benefit because lots of people, I'd say 40 plus, think that Benefit is like a teenage makeup brand, and actually it's not. They just do a brilliant marketing job of their fabulous packaging. I mean, it's so pretty, all their packaging, that people presume that it's, you know, just for the younger crowd, but the products are amazing and they look gorgeous in your makeup bag. So don't, you know, dismiss Benefit as a younger person's makeup brand, because it's not. And I'm going to show you a few of the products that I think are really good for 40 plus. Right, so, okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is, it's called That Gal, and it's a brightening face primer, okay? Again, very cute, and it's got these tiny little dots at the top, and you turn it and then you can put it on where you think you need it, all over, or just your T-zone. Keep squeezing. I imagine you might get through this quite quickly because you have to keep squeezing it up, but anyway. So you can obviously, if you've got the perfect skin day, you wear this on its own because it gives you that lovely glow. Look, I think it only comes in one colour. Yeah, I think it only comes in one colour, so it's sheer, but it gives a nice kind of glossy effect. Okay, they've also got the famous pore minimizer primer, which is really good for large pores, okay? And that one you just put on as you would any normal primer, and it kind of fills the pores, so it gives a smoother complexion. But this one is a brightening one, which I definitely advise to women 40 plus, because our skin does get a bit duller as we age. So any help on the brightening side, I recommend. Okay, I've got a foundation, and this foundation is really good. Look how cute it is. They look like toys, all of the products. Look at this one. Look, it's a concealer. So cute. So this is called the Pore Professional Makeup, Pore Minimizer Makeup, okay? And it's a foundation, right? And it's got a little press button there, soft press button to release the liquid, right? Now this is, right, you can see I've got a bit of a tan. Yep, I've been sitting in the garden at every opportunity that I could get. So this kind of weather, you don't want full face makeup, plus we're on lockdown. This is really gorgeous, right? Now, I've never seen this before either, but it's meant to be really good for large pores, which we all get. So you push that back bit and it releases it. Look, love it. Which is a thing that lots of women get as they get older. So it should cover those, but also it's really fine. Now, I've spoken to you before about a base I use when my skin's really good called Lumine, which is this one, okay, which is really sheer and gorgeous. And this reminds me of that. It's like a really nice, lightweight foundation. Look how sheer it is, but you feel like you've got something on. It just gives you that confidence, you know, that you've covered up any unevenness. Okay. A bit more on. My forehead's very tanned. I have been wearing sun cream, of course, but I do pick up the sun quite well. Now look at that. That's just really nice. And I've literally used about 6 drops of that, so it will last ages. It's given nice coverage, but it's really fine. Like it. Oh, wait a minute. Pull out sponge, it says. Ah, it's a pull out sponge so you can smudge it on. Not sure about that, but nice little thing to have. Okay, right, so what I'm really excited about is this concealer, Hydrating Concealer, and it's called Boy Boing or something. But have a look at this. Okay, so It's got like a clear moisturiser around the edge, but with the concealer in the middle. Okay, so this should go on really creamily. Now, I'm always saying, stay away from powder around your eyes or anything like that. You know, keep it sheer. So this might be the answer. All right, let me just leave that there for a second before we tap it in. Okay, and then we can tap it in. And it does feel really, really creamy, you know, like so many concealers are too thick that they just sit in any of the lines. Whereas actually, that's nice. It's covered my little vein there. Smells nice as well. I think that's a really good product to have in your bag, that one. I like that a lot. Okay. Right, so they do, next, they do some gorgeous blushers. This one here, is called Georgia. And it's a new shade. And it's kind of peachy pinky. Okay. So you can give a good blush of that. Let's get a biggish brush. Just using the ones I've got here. So again, pinks and peaches look pretty on older skins. And this is kind of like, because it's so big, you can kind of use it as a bronzer. So if you're worried about using browns and you think, oh, that's a young person's colour, I don't want to look too contoured, then go for something more peachy like this. That's nice. It's really soft, isn't it? It's gentle. You can't actually see any marks or anything where I put it on, but it's giving a flush of colour. Okay, so that's called Georgia. Right, one of the things that, one of the first products in my makeup kit was the cheek tint that they did years and years ago when it first came out. And it was like every makeup artist had to have the cheek tint in their makeup kit. But they've redesigned all the packaging, and I think it's a new name now as well. Now it's called Love Tint. And they've got this one, which is a red colour. This one, which is called Cha Cha Tint. This one. And they say it's for lip and cheeks. It's a stain. So, you know, I'm a massive fan of cream lip and, cream cheek colours. Well, let's see what this one comes out like. So I'm just going to put it on the apples. I really like the colour. So it's really watery. It's not creamy, it's watery. So it is like a stain rather than a cream. Pretty though. I'd like to see what the red one looks like. It's nice. I can see that primer coming through. I've not put any highlighter on and that primer's coming through, isn't it? Skin looks glossy. Okay, right, and now they've got this product called 3D Brow Tones, okay? And it's like a, what colour is it? It's like a purpley colour that they say suits everybody. Highlighting gel, softly highlights brows and makes your eye colour pop. Let's try it. Again, look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. Okay, so let's see. So this is the colour of it. Look at it. Can you see the colour of that? It's kind of a purpley. And it only comes in one colour and it's meant to suit everybody. So let's see. It's so funny, actually, because as soon as I put that near my green eyes, well, I've got hazel eyes, it makes them look really green. What do we think about that? It's unusual. Does it make them pop? Sure, you can decide on that one. Okay, we'll try that one. Or the old favourite, Gimme Brows, which comes in your shade, your hair colour shade. This is the dark one. Let's do that on this side and see which we think looks nicest. Okay. There is a difference. But does it look like I've got purple eyebrows? So there's that. Or that. What do we think? I can't decide. It's not horrible. It's not bad, is it? But it's different. I'd have to wear that for a few days just to see what reaction I get. Okie dokie. Right, this is a really cool little highlighter. Look at this one. God, it's amazing. So this is called What's Up. And it's got, that's the puff, that end, sorry. And then this end is the actual highlighter. So let's put some on here. Oh, look at that. That's nice. And then you can use the puff the other end, but I always like to use a finger. That's pretty. It's kind of got a hue of sort of pinky in it. So it's not white, because I can't bear the white highlighters. But I like that. That might be nice also just on your eyelid. Just to give a little bit of a sheen. Da-da! That's nice. And I think that only comes in one colour. Okay, so now we're going to try the Roller Lash. Now, I'm a massive fan of Bad Gal Mascara by Benefit. It's brilliant, and I use it on loads of people, and it really accentuates the eyelashes, and it's really black and wet, you know. So I've not tried this one, the Roller Lash. Again, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It looks like sort of old-fashioned Hollywood dressing tables. That's what it reminds me of. Let me just get my mirror. My Donna May makeup mirror, of course. Oh, you know, look at that sheen, looks nice. Right, okay, so let's try this one. Oh, it's a nice tight brush. And you know I all love a tight brush. Actually, looking close up in this mirror here, that highlighter looks really pretty on my eyelids as well. Be really nice for holiday. Okay, so this is really nice. It's not as thick as the Bad Gal, but not everybody wants really thick mascara. The brush is really good because it separates the lashes at the same time. Also, looking at my eyebrows here, that does look quite purpley. So I probably prefer the darker one. I don't know if people would notice it or not. Okay, and then just a small under there. And under there. Okay. Looks nice. But yeah, I think I'm going to lose the purple brow. Right, and then you can use the cheek tint as a lip stain as well. So we might as well, shall we? Shall we do this one, or should we do... Let's do the reddy one, see what the reddy one looks like. I just love products. So it's really watery. Oh, it reminds me of... Remember a product called Lip Coat that used to keep your lipstick on? And it was like really watery, wasn't it? So that's nice. That's really nice for people that, again, sort of in their 50s, 60s, who are a bit scared of wearing a red lip in particular, or lipstick. That's just a really nice kind of, just a stain, just to darken the lips a little bit. I obviously love a bright lip, so I would always go that route. But people that are scared of lipstick, and there's many out there, that's a really nice alternative. And that one as well will make a nice peachy colour, I presume. So, there you go. I'm really impressed with all those products, although I'm going to stay away from the 3D brow tones and go for the Gimme Brow, because I love that one. But beautiful products. Love the highlighting and the glossiness of all of them. And beautiful packaging. So don't be frightened of them. Don't think they're all for the sort of, you know, 30 and below bracket. They're not. They're for us as well. So enjoy. Take care. Bye.